Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating life of Melania Trump, a woman who has captivated the world with her elegance, grace, and unique story. From her early days in Slovenia to become the First Lady of the United States, Melania's life is nothing short of extraordinary. So we will explore her fashion evolution, her marriage to Donald Trump, her role as a modern First Lady, and the legacy she's built along the way. This video is packed with insights, so grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. Melania Trump, born Melancha Canvas in Slovenia, started her journey in a small town called Sevencica. Growing up in a modest household, Melania's was always ambitious and dreamed for a life beyond her small town. She studied design and architecture at University of, but soon realized her passion for modeling. At just 18, she signed with a modeling agency and began working in Milan and Paris. Her career took off and she eventually moved to New York City in 1996, where she gained her big break in the fashion industry. Melania's journey for a small European town to the global stage is a true rags to the riches story. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers, Melania is not just a former first lady, she is a fashion icon. Her style has always been a blend of sophistication and boldness. So remember her iconic white Ralph Lauren hat and matching coat at the presidential inaugurations. That look became an instant classic. But her fashion journey did not stop there. Whether it was her pith helmet during a safari in Kenya, her sleek pantsuits, or her glamorous evening gowns, Melania always knew how to make a statement. She even wore a jacket with the words, "I really don't care, do you?" during a trip to visit migrant children, sparking endless debates and headlines. Love her or not, Melania's fashion choices always kept the world talking. Melania's marriage to Donald Trump has been a topic of global interest. The couple first met at a party in 1998, and after a whirlwind romance, they tied the knot in 2005 in lavish ceremony at Mar-a-Lago. Their wedding was a star-studded event, with Melania wearing a stunning $2,000 Dior gown adorned with a 1,500 crystals. Since then, Melania has stood by Donald's side through his business, reality TV fame, and political career. Their relationship has had its share of challenges, including public security and controversies, but Melania has always maintained her composure and remained the positivity partner. Together, they are raised their son Barron Trump, who has largely stayed out of the spotlight. As the First Lady of the United States, Melania took on a role that required grace, diplomacy, and a strong sense of duty. She launched her Be Best initiatives in 2018, focusing on children's well-being, anti-bullying efforts, and online safety. While some criticize her for not being as visible as other First Ladies, Melania preferred to work behind the scenes, often visiting hospitals, schools, and military families. She also played a key role in hosting state dinners and diplomatic events, showcasing her elegance and attention to detail. One of her most memorable moments was the renovation of the White House Rose Garden in 2020, which she personally oversaw to restore it to its original 1962 designs. Melania's influences extend beyond the United States. As a First Lady, she represented the country on the global stage, accompanying Donald Trump on diplomatic trips and meetings with world leaders. She speaks Slovenian, English, French, German, and Italian, helped her connect with people from different cultures. Whether she was attending the G7 summit or touring Africa, Melania always carried herself with poise and grace. Her ability to navigate the of international diplomacy while staying true to herself is truly commendable. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this. I wanted to give you a complete picture of Melania Trump. It's not just a public figure, but as a woman with her own stories, struggles and triumphs. So if you enjoy this video, please share this video with your family and friends. And I wanted to tell you, I went through over 300 pictures plus of Melania's Trumps, her fashion moments and her times as a First Lady to bring you this comprehensive look into her journey. It took hours of research, editing and organizing to make sure every detail was perfect. I wanted to give you a complete picture of who Melania Trump is, not just a public figure but as a woman with her own stories, struggles and triumphs. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this. So now I want to hear from you. What do you think about Melania's journey? Do you admire her fashion sense or do you think her time as a First Lady could you have been more impact? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestion for other influential figures you would like me to cover in future videos, drop those in the comments too. I love hearing from you guys. So my beautiful viewers, Melania Trump's life is a testament to resilience, ambition and elegance. From her humble beginnings in Slovenia to the global stage, she has carved out a unique legacy. Whether it's through her fashion choices, her role as a mother of time as a First Lady, Melania has left an indelible mark on the world. What do you think about her journey? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories and deep dives into the lives of influential figures. Thank you for watching. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you are new here, so welcome back Mother Fashion. We are growing family of 3,000 subscribers and I am so grateful for each and every one of you. So my beautiful viewers, we dive deep into the lives of iconic women like Melania Trump, Kate Middleton and many more. If you have not already, make sure to check out my videos on Melania Trump's fashion evolution and Kate Middleton's timeless style. From royal fashion to First Lady, we cover it all. So hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Your support means the world to me and it's what keeps me creating these videos for you. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I have worked really hard to bringing you these stories and I have love for you to be part of my Mother Fashion community. Whether on a journey of 5,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to celebrate the milestone with all of you. If you have been here for a while, thank you for your support, and if you are new, welcome to the family. I would love to hear from you. What kind of videos would you like to see more of Mother Fashion? Should I do more deep dives into the lives of First Lady, or would you like to see more royal fashion content? Maybe you would like to see comparison between different fashion icons or even some behind the scenes looks at their lives. Please let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create the content you want to see. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new uploaded from Mother Fashion. We have got so many excited videos coming up and I cannot wait to share them with you. If you are passionate about fashion, elegance and inspiration stories, this is the channel for you. Thank you again for watching, liking and sharing my videos. It truly means so much to me. Let's grow this community together and make Mother Fashion a place where we celebrate style and grace. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Melania Trump from her rise as a model to become the first lady of the United States. Melania's journey is filled with glamour, controversies and resilience. So in this video we will explore the good, the bad and everything in between. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and let's get started. Melania Trump born, as you know, Slovenia and grew up in a modest household in a small town of Despite her humble beginnings, she was always ambitious. She studied design and architecture. So my beautiful viewers, she was signed to a modeling agency and began working in Milan and Paris. As I tell you, her big break came when she moved to New York City in 1996, where she graced the covers of magazines like Vogue and GQ. Her determination and hard work are truly inspiring, proving that with the talent and presence, you can achieve your dreams. Melania is a fashion icon. Her style is a blend of sophistication and boldness, making her a trendsetter in her own right. Remember her stunning with all the Ralph Lauren hat and coat at the presidential inauguration. That look became an instant classic. She also made headlines with her pith helmet during a safari in Kenya and her glamorous evening gowns at state dinners. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you're watching this video, please watch this video till the end. As the First Lady of the United States, Melania launched her Best initiatives in 2018, focusing on children's well-being, anti-bullying efforts, and online safety. She visited hospitals, schools, and family. Working behind the scenes, one of her most memorable moments was the renovation of the White House. Despite of her many achievements, Melania's time in spotlight has not been without her sharing of controversies. Her "I really don't care, do you" jacket sparked outrage with many occasions her own ping. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about Melania Trump's journey? Do you admire her resilience and elegance, or do you think she could have done more as a first lady? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have any suggestion for other influential figures you would like me to cover in video. So my beautiful viewers, creating this video was no small feat. I went through hundreds of pictures and interviews to bring you this comprehensive look into the Melania Trump's life. It took hours of research and editing, but I did it all for you. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And support means the world to me and helps me create more content like this. Melania Trump's life is a fascinating mix of glamour, controversies and resilience. From her humble beginnings in Slovenia to the global stage, she has carved out a unique legacy. Whether you admire her or criticize her, there is no denying that Melania has left an indelible mark on the world. What do you think about her journey? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration stories and deep dives into the list of influential figures. Thanks again for watching. So, my beautiful viewers, talk about her relationship with her son Barron Trump and how she balanced motherhood with the public duties. Compare Melania's initiatives and style to those of Michael Obama, Jackie, and others, and explore what Melania has been up to since leaving the White House, where she worked with her staff to promote her initiatives and support her husband's policies. Melania's relationship with her stepdaughter Ivanka Trump was widely reported on, with some speculating about tensions between the two women. Melania has been a vocal supporter of military families, using her platform to promote their welfare and provide support. In 2018, Melania visited the US-Mexico border, meeting with Border Patrol agents and touring a detention center of migrant children. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in comment box and I will see you in the next video.